It's about 7 in the morning, and the sun is just coming up. And I am in the park with all the parrots. I hear them. I don't see them. I see a lot of birds up there. I hope I can see one up close. I hope you're picking up sound, video. I was going for a run and not knowing where I was going, just going. And all of a sudden I stumbled on this pink sky and this view of the bridge and this building. And then I came into this park and I heard all the birds, which is what Linda wanted me to come see, of course. Because it's Linda, you know, Linda and Parrots. So pretty. Yay, San Francisco. Okay, back to running.